To be honest, I was a little taken aback by Tesla's recent performance, Charlie remarked. It's important to remember that, despite their shared interests, Tesla and Bitcoin aren't always connected. Elon Musk's Tesla has made some incredible contributions to our society, and Charlie Munger was complimentary of Musk's efforts there as well. We haven't seen a successful new vehicle firm arise in a long time, but Tesla has accomplished incredible things in the automotive industry. Regarding Tesla's investors, some are considering immediate profits, while others are considering the long term. Many people think that owning Tesla stock may prove to be a wise investment in the near and far future. So, if you're interested in learning more about the possible future worth of Tesla stock, stay tuned as we also discuss the opinions of billionaire investors Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett regarding Tesla. Speaking of Tesla, the business has seen a remarkable increase in its stock value, which is very unusual for an automaker. Presently, Tesla has surpassed all other electric car makers in the world with a market valuation of about $600 billion. It's crucial to remember that the company's high valuation is supported by a number of encouraging measures that should increase income and revenue even more. A few examples are the Cybertruck, fully autonomous vehicles, and the potential for a Tesla robotaxi service. Tesla's distinct identity as more than simply a traditional automaker sets it apart from the other players in the automotive field. It is frequently praised as a tech corporation, an innovator, and a leader in the field of cutting-edge technology. Whereas the primary focus of other automakers is on wheels and engines, Tesla's vision goes beyond the confines of the vehicle industry. Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur with a rare ability to inspire unflinching faith in investors, is at the center of this revolution. His magnetic personality and unshakable faith in the Tesla goal have played a pivotal role in drawing in and holding on to the confidence and backing of investors across the globe. What's really amazing is how Tesla's valuation has risen to the top of the market, matching, if not exceeding, that of its well-established rivals. Musk's ability to steer clear of obstacles and into the rapidly advancing field of technology has contributed to his extraordinary climb. He has made Tesla a beacon of sustainability, a representation of modernity, and an example of what can happen when ambition and ingenuity come together. Tesla is leading a revolution in transportation by fusing state-of-the-art technology with an eco-friendly, sustainable future. The company does more than just manufacture automobiles. Tesla's price has been justified by Elon Musk's leadership and steadfast dedication to this cause, which has also helped the company rise to a level of notoriety and profitability that few could have predicted. Not only is Tesla bringing about change, but it's also leading the industry as a whole into uncharted territory. And on this thrilling adventure, investors are excitedly riding shotgun. Given how much Tesla stock has increased over the last 10 years, it makes sense that investors are excited about what lies ahead. The main query is it something that is really important? Let's examine the opinions of multi-billionaire investors Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett regarding Tesla. Before we do that, though, in order to be informed on everything Tesla, if you like this kind of content, please think about liking it, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. In 2020, Berkshire Hathaway CEO Warren Buffett discussed Tesla in an interview with Yahoo Finance. Berkshire had substantial holdings in GM and BYD at the time, but had never made an investment in Tesla. The Chinese automaker BYD sold more clean cars than Tesla did the year before, but it's vital to remember that BYD offers hybrid cars in addition to electric ones. In 2008, Berkshire made an initial $232 million investment to purchase shares of BYD over time. This investment has increased substantially. But as of September, Berkshire has begun cutting back on its ownership of BYD. Imagine this, then: the financial industry's heavyweight king, Berkshire Hathaway, recently made a risky move by selling off about $600 million worth of BYD stock. This type of financial strategy is like to unearthing a buried treasure chest in your cluttered attic. In essence, Berkshire Hathaway turned its original investment into something that is currently 35 times as valuable. The impact of this financial decision is comparable to discovering a long-lost Picasso in your garage. Here's where things get intriguing, though not quite. Berkshire Hathaway isn't saying goodbye to BYD just yet. Their massive holdings of 130.3 million shares, or around 12% of the enormous Chinese automaker, are still intact. It is equivalent to announcing we're going to take a break, but we'll be back for more. They're still very much in the running in the BYD game, maintaining a strong foothold. Let's now turn our attention to Tesla's electric utopia. This is where the plot gets more complex and exciting. There are many astute market observers murmuring that Berkshire Hathaway ought to think about jumping on the Tesla bandwagon. And who was responsible for them? Not to be confused with your average automaker, Tesla is spearheading the electric vehicle EV revolution. Now that the race has begun, Tesla is leading the way. Imagine this: the man leading the space-age mission is none other than real-life corporate superstar Elon Musk. His vision is rewriting the norms of transportation, and his charisma is contagious. He is the live, breathing embodiment of Tesla's spirit, not merely the company's CEO. Let's not forget about Berkshire Hathaway's sage, Charlie Munger. He has been congratulating Tesla warmly, seeing it as a remarkable accomplishment for the US auto sector. This is where it gets interesting, though. He has his share of reservations. Munger thinks Biden may have an undiscovered advantage over Tesla. He says it's really puzzling that Biden was able to hike costs in China when Tesla was lowering them. He is also sincerely amazed by Biden's supremacy in the sizable Chinese market, which is a result of its massive production capacity. What will happen in this financial drama next? Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett. After all, don't make snap decisions. They are able to recognize a solid offer, and they are prepared to spend a reasonable amount for a prospective venture. Therefore, if they see that glimmer of growth potential, there's a chance they'll buy additional Tesla shares. Since making its public debut in 2010, Tesla stock has captivated investors like a thrilling roller coaster inside the grand scheme of the financial markets. With great anticipation, investors, including major players such as Berkshire Hathaway, are following the Tesla story as it develops. Though opinions regarding Tesla may differ, one thing is certain: it has the capacity to electrify the whole electric vehicle market. Speaking about Tesla's stock is akin to taking a crazy journey on a financial roller coaster. They have increased by more than 20,000%, which isn't just outpacing the market, it's outpacing the market by a wide margin. Tesla seems to be the overachievers in the class who never fails an exam, even the ones that were intended to be difficult. Consider this: you are enjoying cocktails on your personal island after making an early investment in Tesla stock. This is the kind of millionaire makeover we are discussing. Not only is Tesla's growth great, but it's unmatched. It is comparable to the popular kid on the block who everyone wants to be friends with, having a market value of more than $500 billion. Not to mention the trillion-dollar milestones that will be reached twice in October 2021 and March of the following year. That would be like climbing Mount Everest to the top and then returning to do it all over again for pleasure. Let's dissect it even more now. By February 4th, 2020, you would have about $36,000 in your pocket if you had the wisdom to buy $1,000 in Tesla back in 2010. That would be akin to making a tiny fortune out of pocket change. Furthermore, by June 2022, those Tesla shares, which were valued at $6,940 in June 2021, were predicted to generate earnings of about $7,540. It's comparable to owning a profitable machine in your garage. Here's the thing. Despite the claims of some doubters that Tesla's stock may plateau similar to a magician producing rabbits out of hats, Elon Musk is a trailblazer in the field of electric car technology. His charismatic leadership style is a blend of Tony Stark's inventiveness and Steve Jobs. Furthermore, Tesla is not only winning the race, but also outpacing its rivals in terms of new product development. It's similar to starting a marathon and finishing before other people have had a chance to tie their laces. The analysts are giddy with anticipation because the figures don't lie. They expect Tesla to see even more extraordinary long-term growth. Imagine this: prior to the rise of electric vehicles, Tesla's stock was trading at a chilly $100. It's currently making a Michael Jordan-esque comeback to financial fame. Furthermore, in less than 3 years, if you own 10 shares or more, you may see a return on investment that is 100 times your initial investment. It's similar to winning the lotto without ever purchasing a ticket. Let's now discuss Cathie Wood, ARK Invest CEO. She resembles Wall Street's oracle of the modern day. Tesla shares are expected to surge to $4,000 by 2026, surpassing their initial forecast of $3,000 by 2025, according to her most recent valuation model, which is like to a crystal ball. Here's the twist, though. After making adjustments to their model, ARK Invest now thinks that there is a greater need for autonomous ride-hailing at more expensive costs. It would be similar to updating your smartphone ahead of time, since the new features are too good to pass up. Additionally, they have accelerated their projections to 2026 as if they were racing against time to achieve greatness. And now for the cherry on top, investors have become more and more confident that Tesla is the company with the secret to fully autonomous vehicles. Observing a detective crack the largest case of the century is akin to that. When it comes to electric cars and artificial intelligence, Tesla isn't just playing the game, it's leading it. In the realm of money, it will be like witnessing a painting come to life if all these puzzle pieces fit together. That's all there is to it, people. The most recent information on Tesla's thrilling financial adventure. A journey marked by stratospheric development, inspiring leaders, and some fascinating story turns. However, the tale of Tesla is far from ended. Now, we would want to know what you think of Tesla. Do you view this thrilling voyage from the same perspective as our financial gurus, or do you have different ideas? We would be delighted to hear your opinions if you could leave a comment below. As always, please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell to receive notifications if you like this video and want to remain up to date on all things Tesla. In this manner, you'll always be informed about any updates and news regarding Tesla stock,